In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get refund from Namecheap. If you need to request a refund from Namecheap, the main thing to know is that you'll need to contact their support team directly. To get started, go to the Namecheap website, then open the support section. From there, you can either submit a support ticket or start a live chat session with their team. When you contact support, clearly explain that you want a refund and specify that you want the money returned to your original payment method. This part is very important because if you don't mention it, the refund may be placed into your Namecheap account balance by default instead of going back to your card or bank account. Before you submit your request, it helps to understand that Namecheap's refund policy depends on the type of product you bought. Not everything follows the same time limit, so knowing the category of your purchase can save time and help you set the right expectations. For hosting packages, Namecheap generally offers a full refund within 30 days of purchase. If you purchased an SSL certificate, you can usually cancel it and request a refund within 90 days. For private email, the refund window is much shorter and it's typically available within 7 days of the charge or renewal. Domain names work a little differently. In most cases, domain registrations and renewals are considered final and non-refundable. However, there can be exceptions if you contact Namecheap within 5 days or 120 hours and you have a valid reason for the request. Keep in mind that premium domains are non-refundable and cryptocurrency deposits are also non-refundable. So as you reach out to support, make sure your request is clear and submitted as quickly as possible, especially if your purchase falls under one of the shorter refund windows. Being prompt can make a big difference. Once Namecheap processes the cancellation and approves the refund, the money will usually appear back in your bank account or on your credit card within 2 to 10 business days. In some cases, though, it may take up to 30 days depending on your bank or payment provider, so don't panic if it doesn't show up immediately. That's the full process. Go to Namecheap support, contact them through a ticket or live chat, request the refund to your original payment method, and make sure your purchase is still within the applicable refund period. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting your refund as smoothly as possible.